Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a park table that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. For the supports of our picnic table, let's start with a 1x8 plate. We're going to set down some 1x2 plates on both ends and a 1x2 brick right in the center. We're going to need to make two of these. Now I want to take one of my brackets. I'm going to set down a set of 1x8 flat tiles where they are closest to the brick. I'm going to slip this other end like so. What we want to do is hang over our tiles by one stud on both sides. Now I want to set down a pair of 1x8 plates. These are going to be used to help anchor down our minifigures to the benches. Start with a 1x4 plate for the top. What I'm going to do is set down a pair of 1x8 flat tiles on one side, and let's let the tiles hang over by one stud. I'm going to set down another 1x4 plate on the other side. Then a pair of 1x8 plates. These are going to be used to help anchor down accessories to the top of the table. Now let's set our tabletop on our 1x2 bricks. Should snap right in place. Looks pretty good. This is what it looks like on the side. And we can set our minifigure on. So here we have Jay the Surfer. He can anchor himself down right to the studs, and he can sit and relax.